Want to create your own online courses using LearnWorlds? This quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your account to creating your first course. Stick around to the end, where we'll also compare LearnWorlds to some great alternatives that might just be a better fit for your course creation needs. First off, when you sign up for LearnWorlds, you're greeted with an intuitive dashboard. The platform is easy to navigate, and you can dive right in by selecting Create a Course. The process is pretty streamlined, so whether you're a first-timer or an experienced course creator, it's easy to follow. Next thing, LearnWorlds offers a ton of customization options for your courses. You can choose from pre-built templates or start from scratch, which is great for course creators who want to build a unique learning experience. However, while the customization is solid, it can sometimes feel a bit rigid for those who want complete control over design without any limitations. Moving on, LearnWorlds provides a variety of interactive features. You can add quizzes, assignments, and surveys to make your courses more engaging. This feature is great for keeping students involved, but I found that it could use a bit more flexibility when it comes to grading or adjusting quiz settings. If you're looking for advanced features, you might find yourself hitting some limits. The fourth thing, LearnWorlds does a great job with video content. You can easily upload and organize videos, and even offer video-based quizzes. However, it's not as seamless as other platforms like Teachable when it comes to video hosting. The loading times can sometimes be slower, which could be a problem for your learners if they have slower internet. The next thing is LearnWorlds marketing tools. You get a variety of options to promote your course, email marketing, affiliate programs, and more. While it's a solid package, the integration with third-party apps isn't as smooth as some of its competitors, like Kajabi. You might have to manually set up some connections, which can be time-consuming. Now, let's talk about LearnWorlds pricing. It's a little on the higher side compared to other platforms, especially if you're just starting out. The basic plan might not offer all the features you need, and you'll likely need to upgrade. But with that, you do get access to excellent analytics and reporting tools, which help you track student progress and course performance. The next thing is the support. LearnWorlds offers live chat and email support, but sometimes response times can be slow. While they do have an extensive knowledge base, it's always nice to have quick help when you run into issues. Finally, before we wrap up, I want to share something important with you. While LearnWorlds has great features, there are some platforms out there that might serve your course creation goals even better. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, for example, offer more flexibility in design, quicker video load times, and smoother integration with other apps. Now, as a bonus for sticking around, we've got an exclusive deal for LearnWorlds. If you sign up through our link, you'll get access to an extended free trial, along with some amazing benefits that you can't get anywhere else. Plus, if you're still not sure if LearnWorlds is the right choice for you, we've also got links to some great alternatives, with their own free trials and exclusive offers that may better suit your needs. Don't miss out on this. Check out the link in the description below for more details on the best free trial options.